Okay, so I've upgraded to the PS5 disc version from the PS5 digital. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and I'll talk about the reasons why I did that and what I'm going to do with my other console. Okay, let's compare it to the PS5 digital. As you can see, it's significantly smaller. However, it's not that much bigger. And the main reason I've decided to do this is because not having a disc drive is a bit of a pain. Especially nowadays when there's used games about. You can't seem to get any good deals, particularly if you're limited by only using the Sony store. So this has been great. I've had no problems with it, but yeah, I'm upgrading to this one so I can take advantage of the disc, so I can get cheaper games on launch potentially. Some of these offers on. So if you're looking into it, that'd be the main thing I'd look out for. Not necessarily the storage space. That is a bit of a gripe. Like, you probably want to upgrade it. But the main issue was not being able to play Blu-rays and also not being able to buy games second-hand. That's a real thing I miss. So yeah, that's my reasons why. If you've got any questions, let me know, and I hope this has been useful. See you in the next one.